We need to start by talking about how gorgeous this hike was. I'm talking straight out of a postcard, Winter Wonderland. Puffy snow, tall crisp pine trees, and the sun peeking through the clouds. Amazing. But you have to give to get, and in this case, the great views demanded that we hike 13 miles up to Gobbler's Knob. The snow made things a little more fun because it meant that we were slipping and sliding both up and down the mountain. As we gained altitude, the temperature continued to drop, and we got a science lesson that seemed like it came right out of a 3rd grade textbook. When we stopped for our first water break, we discovered that the water in the hose of the Camelback had frozen with ice. So Josh had to slurp the water straight out of the bag instead of through the tube.
Snow beard going on right now. It's freezing on me.
The hike up to the knob was fairly steep, with over 3,000 feet of elevation gain in just under 2.5 miles. At the steepest parts, you would end up sliding back half of the distance you gained on each step. Since we were the only ones on the mountain, we also had to keep track of the trail. Although everything was covered in snow, we only got off trail once, and we found our way back to the trail after fumbling around for a few minutes. Gobbler's Knob is a solid day hike, but in the winter, I think it gets a top rating. The sights of hundreds of evergreens covered with snow at 10,000 feet is something that should be on your winter to-do list, if you're up for the challenge.
Yo, good work.